You will love the features of this 2020 GMC Terrain. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Enjoy road trips more than ever before in this handsomely styled Terrain. Its comfortable, flexible interior offers all the amenities and space you need to make the journey relaxing. And you'll love its high safety scores too. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, 4-cylinder engine, keyless start, satellite radio, lane keeping assist, backup camera, heated mirrors. Make the journey in comfort and style in this rugged-looking Terrain. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.